Hi guitarlings, I'm Gray at Hub Guitar, here with another plucking hand exercise for fingerstyle guitar. Today's exercise is going to exist on strings 4, 3, 2, and 1. But the thing is, we are not going to play a straight roll. We're going to shuffle that around a bit. We're going to do thumb, index, ring, and then back to the middle. So that creates an unusual and novel contour that's pretty easy to master if you put a little bit of time into it. So here we go. We're going to start with an F major 7 chord. That's going to be our ring finger of the fretting hand on the 3rd fret of the 4th string. And then our middle finger is going to grab the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. And our index finger is going to grab the 1st fret of the 2nd string. Then we're going to pluck thumb, index, ring, middle, just like that. The next chord is a little bit tricky. It is a G7, and we're going to slide up so that our ring finger lands on the 5th fret of the 4th string. Thankfully, we have an open string next on the 3rd string, so we just have to be careful not to bump into that, otherwise it won't ring. And then we need our index finger on the 3rd fret of the high E string, and we can get our pinky finger on the 6th fret of the 2nd string. That's a pretty tricky chord, so sometimes I wrote myself into a corner with these exercises because I came up with cool but difficult to play chords, and I had to exercise them a lot. So in order to do that, I will just kind of press down the chord, play it, and then let go. I call that a chord push-up. That will help you to master the chord quickly. So we've got F major 7 to G dominant 7. And then we go to A minor. It's actually an A minor 9. We're going to take our 3rd finger, put it on the 7th fret of the 4th string. Now that's the same finger that's been on the string the whole time. All right, so that's our 3rd finger, our ring finger, and then our index finger is going to go on the 5th fret of the 3rd string. And that does get repeated, which is nice. It gives us like a moment to breathe after doing that difficult G7th chord. Now as written, you play each of these one time. But I think you can go ahead and double that up at least. You could play them twice each or 4 times each. It really doesn't matter actually, because this is a right hand exercise, so whatever sounds good to you. Here's what it would sound like if you double it up. So this is intended to be an exercise that you can really, kind of sink yourself into and really play for a long time in order to build better plucking patterns with your plucking hand. So that's it for today's exercise. I do hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please stay tuned because there are many more to come. Thanks for watching.